వి ఛానల్ ప్రేక్షక దేవుళ్లకు కొండ శ్రీనివాస్ హృదయం.
Now I request our principal ma'am to please come upon and provide the key highlights of our school.
Ladies and gentlemen, parents, esteemed chief guest Mr. J.S.S. Reddy Garu, Tulsi Madam, Ramaswamy Garu, Anita Madam, Sir, welcome to a magical morning filled with joy and celebration. Today we gather to witness the boundless creativity and innocence that radiate from our preschoolers and smart kids. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for gracing this occasion and to all the families who have joined us on this special day. Today's annual day celebration is not just a showcase of achievements, but a testament to the collective effort in providing an enriching environment for our students to thrive, marking the successful conclusion of a year filled with milestones and joyous memories. As we reflect on the accomplishments of the past years, it's essential to acknowledge the heart and soul of our preschool, our devoted staff, and the incredible support from our parents. Their collaborative efforts have been the driving force behind the growth and achievements we celebrate today. A heartfelt thank you to our dedicated staff for their tireless dedication, shaping young minds with love and enthusiasm. We also extend our deepest appreciation to the parents for their unwavering support, making our preschool community a thriving focus of shared growth and success. Thank you for being integral to our journey. Instilling values in young minds is a joint effort between parents and the school, shaping the character of our future leaders. Parents, as the first educators, set the foundation at home, while the school provides guidance and support. Choosing the right companions is crucial, as children learn values not just through teaching, but by observing actions. By aligning efforts, we create an ecosystem that nurtures both academic excellence and compassionate, disciplined individuals. As kids are practical learners, our school embraces a wide spectrum of activities throughout the year to ignite their curiosity, foster growth, and ensure a joyful learning experience. The lively color days celebrated various views at different times, adding a playful touch to lessons and creating a visual feast for young minds. Our fancy dress competition brought out the creativity in our little ones, showcasing a kaleidoscope of characters and encouraging self-expression. Venturing behind the classroom, our students embarked on exciting field trips to the Botanical Garden, Shilpa Raman and K.S. Baker's manufacturing unit. Expanded their knowledge through hands-on experience. The annual carnival was a highlight, featuring camel and horse rides, delectable food stalls, and engaging games, creating cherished memories of fun-filled days. Education session provided a platform for young minds, for young voices to express their thoughts and build confidence, completing a well-rounded spectrum of experiences that enriched our students' academic journey. Our commitment to holistic development continued with sports activities and competitions, promoting teamwork and a healthy, active lifestyle. Furthermore, we conducted thorough general checkups and dental checkups at our school, ensuring that their health remains a top priority. It is through these initiatives that we aim to provide a safe and nurturing environment for our students to flourish. In the laughter of our children, we discover boundless joy, like a symphony of hope that paints a vibrant future. As the saying goes, children are the seeds of tomorrow's sunlight, radiating energy and promise. Today, we celebrate these young stars who embody optimism and infuse life with their beaming spirit. Join us in embracing the festivities and basking in the glow of their smiles. Your presence enhances the joy, making the celebration truly extraordinary. Thank you and enjoy the event together. Thank you all and all.